Patrons escape injury following shooting at a bar in St. Anne. Man fatally stabbed during dispute with bartender in St. Andrew. Couple held with firearm after woman is seen trying to scale a fence. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The St. Anne police are trying to establish a motive for an attack at a bar in Mount Edgecombe, Runaway Bay on Tuesday night. About 10 p.m., a 70-year-old businesswoman and her patrons were inside her bar when a man armed with a gun entered and began firing at the patrons. The elderly woman and her customers managed to escape without being wounded. 18-year-old Rochelle Watson, otherwise called Miss Chin, a bartender of Mount Ogle District, St. Andrew, has been charged with murder regarding an incident within her community on Saturday, July 8. Dead is 29-year-old Ryan West, a laborer of the same community. Reports are that about 8:30 p.m., Watson and West were having a dispute when Watson armed herself with a knife and stabbed him in the upper body. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, West was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Watson was subsequently arrested and charged on Wednesday, July 12. Her court date is being finalized. A man and a woman were arrested in connection to the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition in Compound District, Alligator Pond, Manchester, on Wednesday, July 12. Reports are that about 7:30 a.m., lawmen were conducting an operation in the area when a man, upon seeing the police, pushed the woman over a fence in a bid of escaping. Both persons were pursued and accosted when a black bag they were carrying was searched. A .45 caliber revolver along with 9mm rounds, 6 .45 cartridges, 1 12-gauge cartridges, and 7 .62 rounds of ammunition were seized. Both persons were subsequently arrested. However, their identities are being withheld pending further investigations.